Good morning, everyone. So today we will understand about collocations. So the first thing is that what are collocations? Collocation is a group of words that appear together. So there are few words which are always used together. They are called as collocations. For example, make bed, right? Do homework, heavy traffic. So these all are the words which are mostly used together. So they are called collocations. Collocation is a group of words that sounds natural, right? So most commonly used words are called as collocations. Now, when you talk about collocations, they are of 7 types. Adverb adjective means they can be a group or a pair of an adverb or an adjective which can be used as collocation, a pair of adjective or noun, two nouns together, a pair of noun and verb, a pair of verb or noun, verb along with expressions with prepositions, and at last a verb and adverb pair. So these are the 7 type of collocations which we generally use. So let's have few examples. Let's understand it with the help of few examples. So here we use a collocation quick shower, right? Here quick is an adjective and shower is a noun. So here we are working with an adjective and noun pair. So if we say fast shower, it is wrong. So the correct way of using over here or defining this thing is quick shower. Similarly, regular exercise. Regular is an adjective which is talking about a noun exercise, right? So here we have adjective noun pair. And if we say daily exercise, it will not be correct. We can say exercise daily. We should exercise daily. But daily exercise is not the right way to speak. Round of applause. Here we are making use of noun along with expression of preposition. Expression with along with a preposition. So when we want to appreciate someone, we make use of round of applause. We should never say circle of applause, right? So this is not a way to speak. So this is a collocation here, round of applause. Similarly, do homework. We use this term together. Do is a verb, homework is a noun. So here we are working with a verb and noun pair. We never say make homework, right? So the right way of speaking is do homework. Similarly, rich culture. Rich is an adjective, culture is a noun. We never say beautiful culture. We can use it, it is not incorrect, but the correct way of using it is rich culture. Heavy traffic, adjective and noun pair. We should never say strong traffic. This is something which is not used, right? So these are few of the collocations just to make you understand that what exactly collocations are. Now let's understand about adjective noun collocations. This means that in these type of collocations, adjectives are placed before noun, right? For example, strong wind. Here, strong is an adjective and wind is a noun. We never say heavy wind, right? This is the wrong way of saying it. So when we use it in a sentence, the young trees wavered in the strong wind. We don't use heavy wind over here. So strong wind is a collocation. Main course, right? Important course. No. We say main course. Means main meal of the day, right? Here main is an adjective and course is the noun. What are you going to have for your main course, right? So this is adjective and noun pair. So it is a adjective noun collocation. Another example, flat tire. We never say plain tire, right? So it's a flat tire. Flat is an adjective, tire is a noun. I had a flat tire on the way home. So this is the way we make use of collocations. There are certain group of words which are always used together. So the more and more we use them, the more and more confident we will become in using collocations. So that's all for today. Thank you.